Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here. Today we're going to be making Zuppa di Tortellini, which is tortellini soup. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need for the tortellini soup. And now I'm going to add the celery, the carrot. The vegetables are almost done, but you want to leave them a little bit al dente, so I'm going to add my chicken stock. I drop my tortellini with the salt in this pot, and it's a full boil. As soon as they come to the surface, they're going to be ready to be strained, and then we're going to assemble the soup. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.